Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete Telegram wallet KYC. So first you have to launch your Telegram application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Basically go to your home page, Telegram homepage, or you can just go directly to your wallet. Okay, so this is your Telegram wallet. And as you can see here, there is this total balance and other features right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to tap this gear icon because we want to complete our KYC or complete Telegram wallet KYC. And as you can see, there is this identification level right here, which is under basic or labeled as basic. As you can see, if you tap this one, you will see the features that you need to unlock in order for you to go to this advanced level. And in order for you to do that, what you're going to do is you have to click this unlock higher limits. So you are currently under basic, and these are the things or features that you can use. If you want to use the features under extended and same with the advanced, then what you're going to do here is you have to click this unlock higher limits. So as you can see, there is this, or there are tons of advantages if you upgrade it to advanced level. So to upgrade that, you have to click this unlock and then click this get started and then tap continue. Now, in order for you to proceed, you need to verify using residential proof. So what you're going to do here is you have to submit the documents that they need in order for you to be verified. Wallet verification, you're about to submit sensitive data to wallet. If you're okay with that, tap continue. And as you can see here, these are the steps in order for you to be fully verified on your KYC Telegram wallet. You need to provide identity document, perform a liveness check, and then provide address information. So once you have everything here, once you have these details, all you have to do is to click continue. And then you need to state the resident or where you are right now, if it's in the United States of America or another country. Tap from any of this, click agree and continue and proceed to the following instruction here. So again, all you have to do is to submit the requirements or documents needed in order for you to complete Telegram wallet KYC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.